IVM.
Namaskar, dear friend. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and good to see you here today on Begin the Journey. Ordinary day. Totally ordinary day. We don't like ordinary days, dear friend. We've been told we got to be extraordinary. In fact, I've been telling you, let's be extraordinary. And somehow I missed out on letting you know and informing myself too that each one of us, wherever we live, we are surrounded by ordinariness. Ordinariness. Complete and total ordinariness. And this ordinariness seems to make us feel so ordinary that we say, you know what, I will do something extraordinary just to distance myself from this ordinariness. Over the years, I have met so many different kinds of people, and many of them you don't even know of. They are not famous people. They are not well known. They are not people who are established. They don't even have a social media following. But you know what? I've discovered extraordinariness even in their ordinariness. Ordinary is something that we want to distance ourselves from. When we get established, we want to have, a surrounding in which, we are known. We want to be known by the surroundings that we keep. So we want to move around in circles which are well known, not the ordinary ones. We have been in ordinary circles for too long. Consider for a moment, dear friend, we start choosing people basis them not being ordinary. Surprisingly, ordinary for us is that which has no name, which has no recollection, which has no recall, and therefore we call it ordinary. Isn't it true that many of us have left behind relationships because they are not famous? Dear friend, in this life, I have discovered the value in recognizing the extraordinary hidden in the ordinary. For me, ordinary is just what I said about it. It is not in it. In anything that is around me, there is a possibility to do something amazing. So imagine if we can embrace the ordinariness in us, because that is what I do. In the way I dress, the way I talk. In fact, I have such simple thoughts here. Let's try and do this, I cannot even hide my excitement to do stupid things. Come on, let's have some kulcha chola, raste mein ruk kar khate hai. Let us do something interesting, naughty, Why should I hold it back just because it looks and sounds simple and ordinary? I have discovered the greatest joy when I have done the most ordinary things. I realized that why should I be disowning the so-called ordinary just because I think that extraordinariness should be achieved? Dear friend, in life, as I have traveled, I have found extraordinary people in places which are completely ordinary. Isn't it true for you, dear friend, that as you have made your way through life, you have seen value in the unknown, but you are drawn towards the known, the well-known, the socially famous? Take a pause. Take a pause and look around. Right around us, inside our ordinary day, within our ordinary surroundings, there are some extraordinary things to discover, beginning with you and me. I thank you for being on this journey of discovery, discovering the amazing in the things around us. I would love to hear your thoughts, how you found something extraordinary in the ordinary around you. Al-Shukran Bandhu, Al-Shukran Zindagi. Thank you for being on the journey of beginning the journey each week with me. I would love it if you follow me on Twitter, on Ashish Ved, on Instagram, on Ashish Vidyarthi1, and on my website, avidminer.com. It feels great to hear from people like you. Love, cheers, and light.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Storytel and The Whole Truth Foods. Thank you for supporting us. We have a new show out this week, Candid Kannan with Siddharth Kannan. Sid K is a well-known RJ. He has an incredible show with some of the most amazing Bollywood celebrities. As part of the first week's episode, we're releasing 5 episodes at one time, so you can get your fill of Sid. You can hear him talk to Varun Dhawan, Anil Kapoor, Anurag Kashyap, Bhumi Pednekar, and a whole lot more. This week on the Edges and Sledges podcast with Varun DJ and Ashwin, hear them talk about the historic victory that India achieved at Gaba. Maruk Inayat had an amazing talk with Gul Panag. They spoke about the farmer protests and why Bollywood celebs are acting the way that they are. And finally, Shunya 1 is back this week. Sheila Aditya and me talked to Anirudh Singla from Pepper Content. We have a great lineup of guests coming up in the coming weeks, including Deepak Abid, the co-founder of India Gold. Definitely check that out. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Come learn and experience the ABCDs of being queer with me, Shunetro,
and me, Farhad,
on our show, Gay BCD.
The two of us take you through our stories and experiences of being gay men in the city of Mumbai and have candid
and sometimes downright scandalous
conversations about sexuality, gay culture, and everything in between.
Catch new episodes of Gay BCD every Tuesday on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get all your podcasts from.